Okay, so I'm explaining you what we mean by generalized form and what we mean by usual form. So if I want to express the number in generalized form, what does it mean? I have to take care of its place value. Like 5 is at 1's place, so I will be multiplying it by 1. And 2 is at 10 place, so I will be multiplying it by 10. So how I have expressed 25 in its generalized form? I am expressing it like based on their place value. 5 is its 1's place, so multiplied by 1. 2 is its 10's place, so multiplied by 10. So please do second, third and fourth part by yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so basically generalized form means expanded form.
Expanded form, correct. Please write the topic playing with number in your copy and write generalized form of 25, then write generalized form of 73 like this.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, do tell me, Dhriti, what is 73?
7 into 10 plus 3 into 1.
Correct. 129?
1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1.
Correct.
3 into 100 plus 0 plus 2.
Very good, it is correct. So this is generalized form. Now I am writing in usual form. So usual form means you have to change it into that digit itself. So 10 into 5 is 50. 50 plus 6 is 56. So I have changed it like 6 will be at 1's digit. 5 will be at 10's place. So the number is 56. So without multiplying, I can write it by seeing this. How? Like I will see their place. So like 8 is at 1's place, 1 is at 10's place, and 7 is at 100 place, like this. So this is called usual form. Do tell me about B part.
ACB.
ACB. You are correct. Okay, so now next is like from where we are actually starting. So see here alphabets are there. Like if you look at question number 1, you have to find what is the value of Q in this addition. So what you have to do, you have to do it step by step. So let's start from the ones digit, ones, tens, and this is 100. So if I start from ones place, so I am having Q plus 3 is equal to 1. So what should be the value of Q that it gets satisfied? So if I put Q as 8, so I am putting Q as 8, then it becomes 11. So I can say yes, 1 moves to this place as a carry. Okay, so what I am thinking that let's check is Q is 8. So if I check it now, what is the next step at tens place? I am having 1 carryover, 1 plus Q, that is making 0. So if I put Q as 8, then it is 10. So I am getting yes 0 and a carry of 1. So I will check it at 100 place also. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. So yes, it is 5. So my assumption is absolutely correct. So what is the value of Q here? It is 8. Is this question understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's try example number 2. A plus A plus A will give me A. So what should I take A so that if I add this 3, then I will be again getting A. So let's say if I take A as 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So yes, I am getting 5 and 1 is the carryover. So that I will be writing B is equal to 1. So what is the answer? A is 5 and B is 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's come now to multiplication. So BA into B3 is 5 into 5, 7A. So we will be starting with the first number. So it is like 3 will get multiplied to A. So 3 into A is A. This should be the first. How we do the multiplication? We are multiplying 3 into A. then whatever is coming that will take the place of A. So what should I take A so that I get A here? So let's say if I take A as 5, then 3 into 5 is 15. Yes, I am getting 5. So let's think that A is equal to 5. Now I am checking it up further. So now next is 1 is carryover. So I will be writing 1 as carryover here because 3 into 5 is 15. So 5 I have written here and 1 is carryover. Now 3 into B plus 1 is equal to 7. What is the next step? 3 into B plus 1 is equal to 7. So what should I take B? If I take B as 2, then
Ma'am, 6. 3 into 2, 6.
6 plus 1, 7, but 5 will not be. Like if I try 2, 5 and 2, 3. So are we getting 575? So let's check. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 3 2 just 6 plus 1, 7, 2 2s are 4. So no, we are not getting. That is wrong. So what should I take B? If I take B as I should pass a carry over. So if I take B as 1, then this is not satisfied. If I take 2, but that is not also satisfied further. If I take it like 3, then 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, not satisfied. 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, 8, 9. So we have to look केयरफुली. तो पहले हमारा स्टेप जो जहां हमने 5 लिया है, कैन वी टेक इट, कैन वी रिप्लेस विथ एनी अदर नंबर? अंडरस्टैंड? सो हम इसको ब्रेक कर लेते हैं. बी ए इंटू B3 इट शुड कम एज 5 7 8. तो हम आपको इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप मैच करते जाते हैं. तो पहला स्टेप क्या होगा? जैसे अगर आप कोई दो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो वो वही लिख देते हो यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज 3 into A is 8. This is first equation. Then next equation is like 3 into B is equal to 7. And last equation is B into B is equal to 5. अगर ये पॉसिबल होता है, मतलब कैरी जनरेट नहीं होता है स्टेप्स पर, तो यहाँ पे ए के लिए हमारे पास क्या क्या हो सकता है? ए कैन बी 0, 3 into 0 is 0. और क्या हो सकता है? 1 तो नहीं हो सकता है. 2 भी नहीं हो सकता है. 3 3s are 9 नहीं हो सकता. 4 नो. 5 हो सकता है. 6 नहीं हो सकता है. 7 नहीं हो सकता है. 8 नो. 9 नो. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 2 चॉइसेस कि अगर हम ए की प्लेस पे 0 रखते, तो अगर हमने ए की प्लेस पे 0 रख दिया तो ये 0 बन गया. नेक्स्ट स्टेप है अब 3 into B. तो कोई कैरी जनरेट ही नहीं हुआ, तो 3 into B शुड कम एज 7. सो 3 9s are 27. तो अगर हम B को 9 ले लेते हैं, कौन कौन सा हो सकता है B की वैल्यू कि हमें 7 मिल जाए? 1 नो. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. यस. सो ओनली B कैन बी 9. ठीक है. तो अब क्या हुआ, हमने आगे कर दिया. इफ आई पुट द वैल्यू 0 9 and here 9 and 3. So it is 0, 9 3s are 27. अच्छा अच्छा, हम दूसरी स्टेप पे तो जा ही नहीं रहे हैं, ये गड़बड़ हो रही है. ओके ओके, आप समझ पा रहे हो क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है? Okay, let me explain you again. It is a little bit tricky question क्योंकि सेकेंड स्टेप पे हमें जाना है. जैसे BA इंटू B3, तो ये बेसिकली क्या होता है, पहला स्टेप होता है 3A, दूसरा स्टेप क्या होता है 3B, फिर यहाँ पे हम 0 लिख देते हैं, ठीक है, फिर BA और लास्ट में लिखते हैं B². सो दिस इज इक्वल टू A75. ये मैंने कैसे लिखा समझ में आया? हम एक्चुअली मल्टीप्लीकेशन में यही करते हैं ना, पहले 3 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन इससे, फिर 3 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन इससे.